7 rituals that will change your life in 28 days or less.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction Personal Empowerment Podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I'm going to share with you 7 simple rituals that you can begin doing today. And in 28 days or less, you will see massive change to your life. I'm talking about change that will take you from where you're at to where you want to go in your business, your career. It's incredible. These rituals are so simple, and you can start on them today. But first, I want to remind you to check out our special webinar coming up. You can sign up for a special webinar on manifesting beyond belief. Now, if you didn't make it to Taos, New Mexico for that special 3-day workshop, you can attend this special 1-hour free webinar. There's nothing to buy, no obligation. It's a game changer. All you have to do is register at startmanifesting.com. That's startmanifesting.com. But I urge you to do it today because this free webinar will not last forever. When it's gone, okay? Manifesting beyond belief, the money you want, the love you desire, the health you crave, everything, all of it. The big enchilada, manifesting beyond belief. Go to startmanifesting.com. Number 1, are you ready? Number 1 is so simple yet so difficult to do. Do one thing at a time and focus on one thing and get it done and then move on to the next thing. And people think that they are being more effective through multitasking, but the truth of the matter is that it blows your vibration all over the place. You've got one thing going on and something else, and you're not doing anything well. Get that one thing done. Get it done, move on to the next thing. And the best thing to do, is to prioritize your goals every morning or every night. What are the top 3 things that you want to accomplish the next day? Write them down, take the toughest one, and get it out of the way. The second one, this is so important. Don't go to work, don't leave your bedroom until your bed is made. And I know I sound like your mom or your dad talking to you, but this has been proven time and time again that people that have military experience where they have to make their bed every day, they have this feeling of accomplishment. In other words, no matter what happens the rest of the day, you accomplished one thing at least. You got your bed made. But accomplishments lead to accomplishments. Did you hear what I just said? So when you start out the day by making your bed, you lead from one accomplishment to the next. Oh, that's important. Because that's what your day is about. Getting things accomplished, manifesting the life that you desire. Number 3, wash your dishes. And I don't mean load them into a dishwasher and the next morning or 2 days later, after it's full, hit the wash cycle. I'm talking about literally washing your dishes by hand. And as you are washing your dishes, this is a beautiful, relaxing meditation, because during this time, you should be focusing on gratitude for the food that you were able to eat on those dishes. The fact that you have food to put in your mouth, water to drink, and other people do not. Don't leave a dirty kitchen dirty. Clean it. Wash your dishes. Every single meal, right afterwards. Get it done. Knock it out of the box. I remember, there's some wonderful things that come from past generations. I remember my grandparents, we'd have a nice big dinner, and then my grandfather would dry, my grandmother would wash. They would wash the dishes, they would dry them, they would put them away. Everything was clean in the kitchen. And after everything was clean, then we would have dessert. We wouldn't have dessert right then and there. Everything had to be put away and cleaned first. Well, here's something you can do. Guess what? 10 minutes a day. Journaling. Write down some of your thoughts, some of your feelings, what's going on in your life. People like J.K. Rowling and Eminem and Oprah, they keep journals. You can keep a journal too. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It just has to remind you of a particular set of thoughts. It's an incredible ritual that you need to be doing every single day. Well, how about the ritual of letting go of certain things? In other words, you have a house full of clutter. Why not get rid of some of that clutter? Get rid of the attachment to things. I understand you have certain things that are very important that you treasure, and that's okay. But you've also got a lot of clutter, don't you? Come on. And some of it you don't treasure at all. So get rid of it. Give it to somebody that will treasure it. Declutter your house, declutter your car, declutter your closet, declutter your life. Oh, it's going to feel good. It's going to feel good. The next ritual is simply a mindset. And the mindset is this: some things just are the way they are. And while you have the ability to change many things in your life, almost anything, while you have that power, some battles aren't worth fighting. Okay, so your Aunt Edna calls you every night and she talks and rambles. You could yell at her. You could get upset with her. Say, don't call me every night. What are you rambling and talking about? Or you can just accept that that's the way Aunt Edna is. Do you understand what I'm saying? Kids, listen to me. I'm talking about kids 50 and under. Accept that your parents are the way they are and love them for who they are. They're not perfect. They're human beings just like you, and they did what they thought was right at the right time in their life. And if it wasn't perfect, it wasn't perfect. But by whose standards? By the standards of the 1930s or 40s or 50s or 60s? Or by the standards of today? Because standards keep changing all the time. So just allow people to be themselves, okay? Well, the next ritual is the ritual of gratitude. We talked about doing that while you were washing your dishes. That's a great time, isn't it? Being thankful for all the food you just had? Yeah, but what about before going to bed? Isn't it nice to go to bed and just being covered in this wonderful blanket of gratitude? Oh, it's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing. And it helps you attract more of what you truly desire in your life. I mean, you cannot have negative thoughts going through your mind when you're filled with gratitude and light. It's a wonderful thing. Well, the final ritual, affirmations. Every single day. Affirmations about how you love yourself. Affirmations about the world you're building. Affirmations about confidence and self-respect. I know we all want things, but wanting simply means you don't have. Focus more on what you are and what you do have and what you are becoming, and then more will be given to you. Wasn't it Jesus who said, "Seek ye first the kingdom and all of its glory, and all else will be added unto you"? Think about that. Seek the higher self, the higher experience, your connection with the universe, with divine source. Seek that first. And then allow, the relationships to manifest, the career to blossom, the business to grow. Practice these 7 rituals and send me a little note after 28 days telling me how wonderful your life is. And be sure and visit us at Law of Attraction Solutions. Hey, by the way, be sure and subscribe. We love you. We absolutely do. And just because I don't talk about it every day, we're still giving away those 3 audio programs every month to 3 listeners on YouTube or on Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day because you deserve it. Bye-bye.